Hey friends, this is the Brita water filter. It's a super simple system, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how to open up one of these for the first time and get started. Now, out of the packaging, our specific filter system came with two of the filters that we need to install. We just need to install one. This is going to be our backup, and they recommend that you replace your filters once every 2 months or every 40 gallons. Now, to get the filters out of the jug, you can use these two tabs that are on the back, and that will flip the main lid out just like that. And then we can actually lift our little top reservoir out, and that's going to allow us to get to the two filters here. We'll stick one of them off to the side, and we'll open up the other. Now, the next thing that's recommended is to take all three of these pieces and wash them with some warm soapy water. Make sure that it's nice and clear, obviously, and all of that soapy water is rinsed out. We can then put the top reservoir back into the main pitcher, and then we're going to open up one of our filters. Now, take note that we do need to rinse with cold water for 15 seconds before using. As you can see, carbon dust is normal in the first 1 to 3 fillings, and so they do suggest that you let this refill 3 times, pouring the water out each time before you go to drink the 4th pouring. Okay, we'll take our fresh filter. We're going to push it down into that top reservoir. Again, just push down and make sure it's nice and secure. Next, we're going to take the lid, and on the bottom is our indicator light. And this will go off when the pitcher is ready for a new filter. So we're going to use the left side where that white filter is, and we're going to push and hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, it'll blink just like this, and that gives us an indicator that we're ready to use it. As you can see, we've got a blinking light up here that indicates green, which means we are good to go. Filter's good. Let's go ahead and put that lid back into place just like that, and we'll put our first fill of water into the pitcher. All right, we filled it up to the top there. We're going to close the lid, and we're going to let that water filter down. Now remember, we need to do this 3 times, pouring out the water each time we do this. And again, that's just going to cycle through to make sure we have a perfectly filtered system on our 4th use and beyond. Okay, that's just been a couple of minutes. The one thing about these Brita filters is they're actually fairly fast. So this is ready to be dumped out. Again, I'm going to fill this up twice more, dump that out, and then on our 4th filter, we'll be ready to drink. There you go, friends. We are pouring our 4th round through the filter now. Looking forward to some really good purified water. Hopefully that's helped your experience be just a little bit easier. If it has, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. We make a bunch of these DIY tutorial videos to make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.